have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to charge this watch. Now in the box you get this cable and you also get this charging platform. Now this is a USB Type-C to full-size USB cable. Okay, now you have to connect this end, the Type-C end, into this little charging pad, okay, because it only has a Type-C port and this one has to go here. All right, now with this one there, then you have to find somewhere to connect this. It could be a computer, a power bank, a wall outlet, wherever it is. Just make sure you connect this other end to a source of power. And once you connect it to a source of power, then you'll have power at the pins here. And so what you want to do is grab your watch and find the pins at the bottom. Okay, so these pins need to be aligned with these ones. So just align the watch properly and then connect. Now the pad is magnetic. As soon as it gets close, it's gonna connect and you'll see the watch charging. So this is a charging interface. Whoops, it's disconnected. So let me try again. It has a decently strong magnet. There you go. So that's what it looks like as it charges. It's currently at 12%, and all you have to do now is just lay it somewhere and wait for that 500 milliamp hour battery to charge up to the brim. Now this takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour to charge completely, and that's it. Now if you don't have anywhere to plug in a full-size USB port like this one, a full-size USB connector, you can actually pick up a Type-C to Type-C cable and then connect one end of the Type-C cable to this little thing. You can disconnect here and use your Type-C to Type-C cable, connect one end here, and the other end you can connect it to a MacBook or even a power bank or wherever it is you want to connect, and still charge your OnePlus Watch 2. You don't have to use the cable that came in the box, especially if you don't have anywhere to plug in the full-size USB port. Okay, thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.